Welcome to Good Hair Recipes. Do you feel stressed by hair loss every morning? Our top 5 unique and easy recipes that you can whip up in just 5 minutes in your kitchen, designed to support healthy hair. No more boring meals. Let's start right now. 1. Seaweed and cucumber vinaigrette salad. Ingredients: soaked wakame seaweed, a handful approx. 50 grams. Cucumber 1. Olive oil to spoon. Lemon juice, apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, or white wine vinegar, salt a pinch, black pepper to taste, optional sesame seeds, a sprinkle. Cooking steps: squeeze out excess water from the soaked wakame and cut into bite-sized pieces. Slice the cucumber thinly or julienne it. Combine the wakame and cucumber in a large bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, lemon juice, and pepper to make the dressing. Pour the dressing over and toss gently. Sprinkle with sesame seeds if desired. Enjoy this refreshing and hair-healthy salad. 2. Wholesome and nutty black bean soy milk banana smoothie. Unsweetened soy milk to 100 milliliters. Banana 1. A handful of nuts, walnuts, almonds, etc. Optional honey, 1/2 tablespoon. Cooking steps: add all ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth. That's it. You can add a touch of honey for extra sweetness if desired. It's also a great filling meal replacement. 3. Spinach bacon egg scramble. Ingredients: eggs 2. Fresh spinach a handful uncooked. Bacon to strips chopped. Salt a pinch, black pepper to taste. Cooking oil a little. Cooking steps: heat a pan with a little cooking oil, then add the chopped bacon and cook until crispy. Once the bacon is browned, add the spinach and saute until wilted. Whisk 2 eggs, season with salt and pepper. Pour into the pan and scramble. Once the eggs are soft and cooked, remove from heat and serve warm. 4. Grate salmon salad cup. Ingredients: smoked salmon 100 grams cut into bite-sized pieces. Cooked quinoa or lentils 1/2 cup pre-cooked. Mixed greens a handful. Cherry tomatoes 5 to 6 halved. Optional balsamic vinaigrette or olive oil dressing. Cooking steps: layer mixed greens at the bottom of a transparent cup. Add the cooked grains attractively on top. Arrange the bite-sized smoked salmon and have cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with your favorite dressing if desired for extra flavor. The beautiful presentation is a bonus. 5. Daily nuts habit black sesame nut brittle. Ingredients: roasted black sesame seeds 3 tablespoons. Assorted nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, etc. 1 cup. Rice syrup or oligosaccharide 3 tablespoons. A little cooking oil for greasing parchment paper. Cooking steps: in a heated pan, add the rice syrup or oligosaccharide and gently simmer over low heat. Once the syrup starts bubbling, add the black sesame seeds and nuts, mixing quickly. Remove from the pan immediately and spread evenly onto parchment paper. Once cooled, it becomes a crispy and nutritious snack. Before it hardens, cut into bite-sized pieces. This video contains general health information and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have a food allergy, please check carefully before consuming.